One of the hottest subjects in the automotive repair industry at the moment are the challenges shop owners and technicians will face when dealing with the all-new R1234yf refrigerant. There's enough vehicles out there now using 1234 to warrant some additional training and equipment for the workshop. I'm Clint Flower with Automate Training, and that's the topic of our latest module release. Check out this trailer for a little insight into R1234yf. R1234yf is a hydrofluoroolefin, or HFO refrigerant. These are composed of hydrogen, fluorine and carbon, and contain at least one double bond between the carbon atoms. Due to its composition, we are assured by the manufacturers that R1234yf does not damage the ozone layer and has a minimal global warming impact. In fact, the manufacturers of this refrigerant state that its global warming potential is ultra low, with a rating of around 1. This means that if 1 kilogram of R1234yf were accidentally released to the atmosphere, it has a significantly lower greenhouse effect than a kilogram of carbon dioxide. To find out more and access the most advanced technical training available, visit our website and unlock your automotive potential today.